How to add your timeline photos on Facebook album. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your timeline photos on your Facebook album. Sure, you have installed and updated the latest version of Facebook by going to the Google Play Store or App Store. After you do that, you can simply open your Facebook. You will see an interface like this. Now just tap on your very profile. Now you will see everything here. You can see that this photo is on my profile and I want to add it on my album. And when I tap on the very three horizontal lines right here, I cannot see the very option to add it on my album. So what you can do is go upside. Now tap on the very photos option. Now again tap on the very albums option. Now to create album, tap on create albums option. Now name your album. After you name your album, you can see this very album here. Now you can simply add photos or videos from here. Just tap on add photos or videos, or you can add the photos or videos from your gallery as well. Also, you can add the photos from your Facebook timelines. And after you create an album and go to your very profile, when you tap on this very option as well, you can see the option of add to your album as well, and you can simply add it on your album too. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.